I just got it. Wow. What's in this box?
Oh man, I like that kit already.
It says Viega on it. What's on the stacking case? It's got, I don't know, man. This is pretty cool. Let me see what's in here. Let's see. Oh, there's an instruction manual, teaser.
Not many of us read those, but we try.
Ooh.
What do you got there, man?
This is what is this? Oh, it's a Z-3 actuator. This is pretty cool. What's this go in, Troy?
Well, what's the fantastic marriage of that actuator right there? I always said, you know, that swivel feature that RIDGID offers, that Z3 actuator is going to fit right into their brand new tooling. I wish we had it with us, but it's coming out this summer, the RP-342 XL, right? It's going to be, you know, another booster type tool, like a, you know, but one tool. So you don't have to use the booster. It's one tool, and then that actuator is going to go in there, give you that flexibility to swivel. It's fantastic. I can't wait to marry those two products together.
So this actuator says Z3 on it too. I hope you guys can see that. Everyone can see that. Sorry, I keep saying guys. I know there's ladies out there too. More ladies in the trades, please. So they're different. One's shorter and one's longer. So this has to do with the amount of work we're going to do, right? So the amount of force times the distance. So we can either extend the distance or change the force. So with the booster, we're multiplying the force, and in this case, we're changing the distance. So that's why that new sexy RIDGID tool is going to run this actuator. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's some exciting stuff right there. I happen to have one here. You can't have it. Sorry, not yet.
Same thing. Don't want to give launch dates, you know, for anything, obviously, with things that are going on, but that hopefully is coming out soon as well. As soon as RIDGID launched their 342 XL, we'll be launching that. They're going to marry up perfectly. Can't wait. Can't wait for their other standard tool that's coming out with 360-degree rotation, lighter weight. Looks like a compact tool, but it's a standard tool. Like, I really wish I had these here. But Bo and I will have another tooling episode. And I'm hoping the RIDGID guys and my Emerson Pro Tool friends on here are watching and join with us so we can actually show off and debut these tools on TechTalk Live.